what I want to show y'all real quick. This is 1 pound of skirt steak, and this is all you need. 1 onion, 3 bell peppers. That's plenty for 2 people. Any leftovers turns into some nachos tomorrow night with whatever you're doing, or a snack, or next day's. You can wrap that leftover up and take it home or to work with you and be your lunch. Any more than this for 2 people, you're overdoing it. Another tip from Papa Texas. Alright, super simple. Just going to put some the seasoning on the skirt steak. I'll hit both sides, get it on the grill. We'll come back and we're going to get after these babies right here. Victim number 1, or bell pepper number 1. Alright, nice easy with the paring knife. What I do at this point, I'm just going to cut it in half. Slice it there, slice it there, push it down. I'll clean this up, but she's going on just like that. Let me get it cleaned up. Well, I got them all nice and cut up and pretty, and what you want is you want them flat. No matter what you do, just get them flat. And then your onion, take that outside ring off. You're going to put a little bit of fajita seasoning in there, just as so. We'll get it more on this when it gets on the grill. It's hard to do an onion that way, but that's the way they're going on the grill. Even the onion is going on the grill like that. Alright, we're all set up. She's looking pretty, y'all. We'll see y'all in a bit. zgrills. Alright, at this point, I moved my steak over to the side. It's almost done. Gigi wants it a little bit more done than I do, of course. I moved the veggies over here. You can see that's freaking awesome looking. Alright, let's get her off of there. Alright, it all looks beautiful. Check that out. So at this point, just pretty easy. Just slice them across like that. We'll get all these chopped up like this. We got rice. We got beans. Sour cream. Tortillas. Got our fajita meat. I think that's done enough for Gigi. Then you want to go against the grain. Pile it all up together, go inside and have you an awesome meal. Alright y'all, I'm going to go inside and eat. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Hit that bell. We'll see y'all on the next one. See ya. God bless.